Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called This Is My Thing Challenge, and that's hosted by Yetra Khreacioness. I hope I said that right. Now, the host of these collabs is Daysi DIY, Kiki's DIY, and Deborah Casaba. Okay, so I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below. Make sure and subscribe to our channels and full watch the videos. Head on over to the playlist and enjoy all of our videos. So heading back into the video, I decided to make a DIY, and I'm using all of those succulents, and most of the items I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm absolutely loving the brighter succulents, and so that swag there, it's made out of boxwood. I got that from Walmart. The cardstock I got from a place called Odd Lot. So let's get back into the video so that I can show you how I put this together. I hope you enjoy it, and I think this came out absolutely beautiful. So what I'm doing here is gluing the cardstock to the back of that letter holder. And we're going to be doing some dabs on each corner just to tack that down. And that's going to be the base for where we start to stick the succulents along the side. And then we're going to put the swag up along the top. So usually what I do is I place the items in the area where I think I'm gonna like their placement, and that goes for the succulents also all the way around before you start hot gluing them down. Now after I have everything glued down, I did not put a hanger on this. I wasn't really sure how I wanted to display this. So what I did is I got an easel, and that's what we're going to be using just to display this item today. So I did want to thank the host, Yetra, and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. I really did have a good time creating this. I think it's very spring and summer-like. I'm not in a rush for any of these seasons to leave. And I just want to say thank you once again. So here, guys, is the reveal of this succulent arrangement. So we're getting ready to reveal this, and before we do, I just want to say, if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one.